America's middle class is shrinking fast, and in some states, it's practically disappearing. If you feel like your paycheck doesn't stretch the way it used to, you're not imagining it. Today we're breaking down 10 U.S. states where the middle class simply cannot survive anymore because of skyrocketing housing, crushing taxes, disappearing jobs, and a cost of living that's pushing families out. Stay with me till the end, because you might be shocked to learn which state takes the number 1 spot. Number 10. California used to represent the American dream, but today it's one of the hardest places for the middle class to stay afloat. The median home price is over double the national average, and in cities like San Francisco or San Jose, even families making 6 figures feel poor. Add in high income taxes, $5–7 gas prices, and growing homelessness, and families are fleeing in record numbers. California's middle class isn't just struggling, it's being priced out of its own home state. Number 9. New York. Living in New York means paying some of the highest housing and tax costs in America. In NYC, rent for an average apartment is so high that people spend more than 40–50% of their income just to keep a roof overhead. Groceries, transportation, tolls. Everything costs more. Even solid middle-income earners feel like they're constantly behind. New York is now a place where the middle class is slowly being squeezed to extinction. Number 8. Hawaii might look like paradise, but for middle-class families, it feels like a financial prison. It has the highest cost of living in the entire U.S. Basic items. Milk, eggs, gas cost nearly double due to shipping costs. The median home price? Over $900,000. A normal job simply can't compete with these prices. Many Hawaiians are being pushed to states like Nevada, Texas, and Washington just to survive. Number 7. New Jersey hits the middle class with a triple punch. Insanely high property taxes, high income taxes, expensive housing. Even people making $100,000 plus barely feel comfortable. Families are downsizing, relocating, or commuting hours from cheaper areas. Homeownership, once a middle-class dream, is slipping away in New Jersey faster than ever. Number 6. Massachusetts has great education and healthcare, but those benefits come at elite-level prices. Boston is one of the most expensive cities in the country. Housing is limited and expensive, daycare costs are brutal, and even basic services cost more. The middle class is stuck between high salaries and even higher expenses. No wonder people are moving out in record numbers. Number 5. Maryland is sneaky. It doesn't look expensive at first, but it adds up quickly. High property taxes, high insurance, commuting costs, and expensive suburban housing drain the middle class dry. D.C. metro areas like Montgomery County demand 2 strong incomes just to stay afloat. Middle-class families here are living paycheck to paycheck in a state that used to feel comfortable. Number 4. Connecticut has one of the highest property tax burdens in the nation. Add outdated infrastructure, utility costs, and the slow decline of manufacturing and corporate jobs, and the middle class is evaporating. Many residents simply say the state is too expensive for what you get. People are leaving faster than they're arriving, a sign that survival is becoming harder. Number 3. Washington's booming tech industry has created a massive wealth gap. Seattle's housing market is so inflated that even many Amazon employees struggle. Everything from rent to groceries to utilities costs more. Middle-class workers, teachers, nurses, service workers can barely afford to live near the cities where their jobs are. The state grew rich, but the middle class didn't share the benefits. Number 2. Colorado used to be a budget-friendly outdoor paradise, but since 2010, housing prices have exploded. Denver, Boulder, and Colorado Springs are now among the most competitive housing markets in the country. The cost of living has risen so fast that native families are being priced out of neighborhoods they lived in for generations. The middle class is disappearing as the state transforms into a high-income enclave. And at number 1, Florida. Yes, the state once known for affordability is now one of the least affordable for the middle class. Rents have soared over the past few years. Some cities saw increases of 40% or more. Insurance costs are the highest in America, especially home insurance. Wages haven't kept up, and everything from groceries to healthcare is becoming more expensive. People who moved to Florida for a cheaper life are now shocked to find it's becoming financially impossible to stay. The middle class is the backbone of America, but in these states, it's breaking under the pressure. If you live in any of these states, tell me in the comments, how bad has the cost of living gotten for you? And if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe, because the story of America's shifting population is just getting started.